Hi guys, it is Cornay Steyman from 60secondsbinaryoptions.com. I trade binary options for a living and I only trade high probability setups. Today I'm going to share another one with you guys. It's called Checkmate, and this will be part 3 of a series. Now first of all, we see the price is coming down. This is a 1 minute chart. There's a Bollinger Band set on 20, and then we have a moving average set on 15. Now what I like to see is, I like to see the trend is very strong. I want to see bear bars, and the bear bars must be on the left side of this 15-day moving average. If I on the left side, it is an indication that this trend is very strong and it's a great setup to take a trade. Now look here, as this bear bar closed, we see there was a bull bar, went all the way up, it touched the 15-day moving average, and then it retraced back, closed there, and leaving a wick behind. Now this is an ideal setup for Checkmate because it's on the left side of this 15-day moving average. So what Checkmate say is, if the next bar, although as long as the next bar closes inside this wick or just outside the wick, even that bar is on the right side, doesn't matter, it's still Checkmate. Then with confidence you can take a 2-minute put and win. Now another thing I like to point out here is, look here, now suddenly those bear bars are not on the left, they're now on the right side of the moving average. That's an indication that this trend is slowing down and we can even might see a reversal. So now I won't take a Checkmate because the trend is too slow. Now look here, at the bottom we see there was a bull bar, went all the way up, and then it started to retrace, closed there, leaving a wick behind. Now you can't say, but look at this bar closed inside that wick, so this is a Checkmate, I take a 2-minute put. No. As I say, both of these bars are now on the right side of a moving average. Then you don't take that Checkmate. One must at least be on the left and the other one on the right, or both are on the left. That is what we're looking for. Now if I take the next example, we see here the price came down all the way, and then as this bear bar closed, there was a bull bar, the next one. The next bar went up all the way, touched the 15-day moving average, came all the way back and closed, leaving a wick behind. So if you look at the next bar went also all the way up, and then it closed on more or less at the same level as that wick, and this combination is Checkmate. And so with confidence you can take the next trade 2 minutes put, and what an easy win. If you go to the next chart, you see the price went up, it's coming down, we're on the left side of this moving average, and then on this Bollinger Band we see there was a bull bar. It went all the way up, almost touched the moving average, came down, closed, leaving a wick behind. So what Checkmate says, if the next bar closes inside that wick, we can take with confidence a 2-minute put, and what an easy win. Now Checkmate is so powerful, we use it also on the high probability trades if they fail. Let me show you a few examples. Yeah. Alright, this is a very nice setup, what I call a CL logic. I explained that in part 2. Now just to remind you guys how a CL works, we say the market must come down all the way, and as it hit extreme area, we like to see a bear bar with a long wick, the longest wick of the last 5, just before this 1 hour line, or at it, or just after that. So in this area. So basically this is my first indication that this market might reverse, and then we see there was a bull bar, and we expect that the next one will also be a bull bar, and this trend is going up again. But look, the next bar was not a bull bar, it was a bear bar. It went all the way down till here, and then it retraced all the way back and closed there. Now because of the body of this bear bar comparing to the wick, the body is about 25% and the wick 75%, it means it qualifies for a CL trade. So what we would do is we will take there a 1-minute call, and in this case we would lose which is very rare on CL setup. So, but now, this is the point I like to make. Now we have a very, very high probability trade again, which we call checkmate. Checkmate say, if this bar, the next bar, close inside this wick or just outside this wick, then we have a very high probability trade that the next bar will go up. And if you can see in this case, it happened. Let me show you the other high probability setups where we can use checkmate. Guys, this is the one I did in part 1. I called it the bounce back setup. Very, very high probability trade. As you can remember, that's the indicator, the extreme indicator. The bull bars went all the way up, it touched it, it retraced back, and as it closed, I compare the size of the wick, of that wick with the body and the tail, and it's a 50%, which indicates it's a perfect setup for bounce back logic. And what I do there, I take a 60-minute trade there, and what an easy win. But sometimes, very, very rare, we might see that this bar don't go down and go up. Now, if this bar close inside this wick or just outside this wick, we have a perfect setup for checkmate. So what we do is, as the next bar open, we can take a 1 or 2 minute put, and what an easy win. Now guys, if you are very interested to learn all the other logic, all the other setups, high probability setups also, then you must see part 4, 5 and 6. But those setups are not for the public. It's only for the members. So you must become a member. And another advantage, if you become a member, we also give you all the indicators we use, and you also have access to our Skype group. Now, the nice thing about our Skype group, we alert each other as the setups happen. Sometimes a minute, sometimes 5 minutes before the time. So, for instance, if this is coming down and I see this rejection, this one could also be a checkmate. We alert you, and as this bar closes inside that area, you're ready, you recognize what is checkmate, and you can take the trade along. And after we took the trade, we share it, discuss it with each other, and we there's always some small stuff in this area which you pick up. And it's the easiest and the fastest way to learn that way. So if you are really interested to become a member, send me an email at info@60secondsbinaryoptions.com, and I tell you what you must do to get involved. Thank you.